In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change video resolution in Canva. Whether you're creating a sleek presentation or a fun social media post, optimizing your video resolution can make a big difference in how your content is perceived. First, let's head over to the Canva website. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's a versatile online design tool that's user-friendly and perfect for all sorts of creative projects. Once you're at the Canva website, the next step is to log into your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, which is quick and easy. For those who already have an account, just enter your login details. Now that you're logged in, you have the option to create a new design or dive right into one of your previous projects. For the purpose of this tutorial, let's revisit a previous design. So go ahead and open up a project where you'd like to change the video resolution. Next, navigate to the Uploads section on the left-hand side of the Canva dashboard. Click on it, and then select the video you want to adjust. If your video isn't uploaded yet, you can easily upload it from your device. With your video selected, it's time to make some tweaks to the resolution. Click on the Share button, typically located at the top right of the interface. This will open up a menu with various sharing options. From here, click on the Download option. This is where the magic happens. You'll see several settings, including the video quality slider. Adjusting this slider changes the resolution of your video. It's worth noting that this feature is available only if you have a Canva Pro subscription. If you don't see this option, consider upgrading your plan to take advantage of this feature. Simply drag the slider to adjust the quality to your desired level. Keep in mind that higher resolution videos offer better quality, but may result in larger file sizes, which could be important if you're sharing or storing the videos online. Once you're satisfied with your selection, it's time to finalize and download your video. Click the Download button and Canva will prepare your video with the new settings. Depending on the file size and your internet connection, this process may take a few moments. And there you have it. Your video is now downloaded and ready to use with the new resolution. Remember, optimizing resolution can significantly enhance your video's clarity and overall impact, making it more engaging for your audience. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to change video resolution in Canva. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks.